My dad has a fish. He's got a huge crappie. Look at that.
Let me get my pliers. Can you get my pliers for me?
Yeah. This one's...
Yeah.
It's a huge crappie. Here, Dad, do you need me to take a picture with your phone?
Hold on. I was gonna put one of my gloves on to see how it holds. Will you get my my phone, take a picture on portrait for me?
Sure. I'm filming. Okay.
Whoa!
Oh! Dropped him.
Hold on a second. Get it here.
There you go. It's a giant crappie.
It's a big one.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Well, we're fishing, so I just caught a catfish. And then we had a fish on that line, but it broke. You need me to take a picture? Can you take a picture of that one?
Yeah.
Okay. I just gotta sit you down. There he is. Where's your phone?
Ready to bring it down. We'll get him on that camera.
Yeah, I can take a picture on this camera.
Got him? Woo, he's strong. Got him?
I can't take a picture. Okay,
Baby, hurry.
well, I gotta end this video. I have a fish!
Hey, I thought you wanted to film it. Are you filming
No,
it?
yeah! Yep, it's a catfish.
Old catfish. Get him. Bring him on up.
Here, you got it. I caught a fish! No, I don't want him to defend me.
Hold on. Oh. Baby, raise the line out of the leg.
You ready to go get your pliers?
Yep.
Okay, can I put this down? Which ones do you need?
The regular.
Small ones?
Yeah.
Smaller ones?
No, the pliers, baby.
I caught a catfish! Caught a catfish! Did you get your phone? Here, I'll take a quick picture of him. Look at that. Here, I can take a picture on the phone. Can you aim it down so the camera can see it?
Yeah. Got a bit? Got him?
Portrait. Get it in here.
Oh.
Perfect. I caught the fish. Bye-bye. Well, we caught another fish, so...
I'm gonna try it.
My dad just caught a brim.
Did you get him?
I think so. Well, my dad caught a brim, and he's gone now.
Will you slide me those? I'm gonna try it.
There's all our minnows. Well, he caught a brim with a minnow, and then he flopped out, so...
Ooh, he's feisty.
My dad just caught a crappie. It's a big one. I hope he doesn't lose it. I hope my rod doesn't fall in the water. Are you just gonna let him go right now? Did you take a picture?
No way.
Okay. Yeah, because I got it on video. Look at that.
Ready?
It's a huge one. Bye-bye. Guys, I really would like you to subscribe because I just tapped and 68.5% aren't subscribed and only 31.5% are. So I would really like you to join the 31.5% of you to subscribe. So subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications. And even if you want, share the video. Jake is now out. Bye-bye.